Welcome! Today we're exploring 5 incredible ways having a pet, especially a puppy, can help you navigate life's challenges. First up, purpose. Puppies rely on us for everything, from feeding to training. This responsibility can give you a sense of purpose, motivating you to get out of bed and start your day. Second, companionship. Puppies are natural cuddly companions. Their unconditional love provides emotional support, helping to combat loneliness and anxiety. Third, routine. Caring for a puppy establishes a daily routine. Regular walks and feeding times bring structure to your day, which can be grounding during tough times. Fourth, physical activity. Puppies need exercise, which means you'll get more active too. Regular walks can boost your mood and overall health, reducing stress and increasing happiness. Finally, social connection. Taking your puppy out can spark conversations with other dog owners, creating new friendships and a sense of community. So whether it's finding purpose, companionship, or simply more joy in your life, a puppy can be a wonderful partner in navigating life's ups and downs. Thanks for listening. Consider opening your heart to a furry friend. You might be surprised by the difference they can make. Be sure to subscribe to Troylene's Fun Facts channel, leave a comment, give a thumbs up, and share the video.